Hi guys, today we are going to introduce you a super convenient Ugreen USB Bluetooth receiver to connect your Bluetooth devices such as speakers, headset, keyboard, mouse and cell phone with your Windows PC and laptop. First of all, plug this Ugreen Bluetooth receiver to your laptop, then install the driver. You will find the driver program in the attached CD. Start installation by clicking the setup. Select language. Then confirm the license agreement. Turn on the Discovery and SCMST mode. Finish. The driver is ready to use. We recommend you to restart your laptop before using. And if there's a built-in Bluetooth, please turn it off in this way. Go to Setting and find the Bluetooth and turn it off. Turn off your Bluetooth mouse first. Long press the pairing button. Then go to this PC. Click My Bluetooth device. Add devices. Choose keyboard and mouse. Find your mouse and double click. And it's done. You can have fun with your Bluetooth mouse as you like. It's similar to connect the Bluetooth headset as well. Long press your headset pairing button. Go to your laptop. Click Add devices. Choose audio and video devices. Find the one you want to connect and click Pair. Same way to connect the Bluetooth speaker and keyboard. Of course, you can also connect your smartphone to the laptop with this adapter. Turn on the Bluetooth on your phone. Move to your laptop. Click Add devices and Phone. Click your phone model and find your phone. Then you will get your phone connected. You can just select what the document you would like to send to your laptop. Long press it, click Share, choose Bluetooth, find your laptop. Click Accept, and it's over your laptop within 1 second. By the way, you can also send files to your phone. Right-click the document, choose Send to Bluetooth device. Find your phone, and accept your phone, and it's progressing. It's really easy to use, right?